Hey y'all, this is Selena, the children's librarian here at the Wichita Falls Public Library, and in honor of our weather, we're making a rainmobile. As always, you can pick up a free craft kit at the service desk while supplies last. The kit contains 12 raindrops to color and cut out, a pipe cleaner, yarn, a small plate, yellow streamer, and a lightning bolt. You'll need to provide glue, scissors, and something to color with. We'll start with our raindrops. I used a blue crayon to color mine, but you can use whatever you have handy. Color one or both sides, and then cut them out. The holes are already punched for you. You'll have 12 short pieces of yarn in rainy shades of cream and blue. I packed the kits with random colors, so what you get will be a surprise. The plate has 4 holes around the edges. Tie one piece of string to one of the holes and the other end to the top of one of the raindrops. Next, take another piece of yarn, tie it to the bottom of that raindrop and the top of the next raindrop. Repeat this for the third raindrop. I've included enough to hang 3 raindrops from each hole in the plate. We'll use the pipe cleaner to create 2 loops on the plate, one on the top to hang it with, and one underneath to attach your lightning bolt. To decorate your lightning bolt, you'll start by ripping up the yellow streamer. You can make the pieces as big or as little as you'd like. Cover your lightning bolt with a thin layer of glue and cover it with all those pieces of streamer. Let it dry for a couple minutes, and then cut it out. You can cover both sides if you like. Tie one end of the long, pale yellow yarn to the lightning bolt, and the other end to the loop you created with the pipe cleaner on the underside of your plate. There you go. Just hang it up and enjoy. We'll see you next time for another craft. Bye.